everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a true X11 D80 code Super Sport. I bought the car out of Alabama. This is the factory color combination. It's LeMans blue with the factory Ivory Hounds Tooth interior. Gorgeous car, guys. It's got a 69 date coated engine in it, automatic trans with air. The car's an older resto. He said it's done about 10 years ago, but it's complete frame off. It's got 69,000 original miles on the car and a very nice running and driving car. It's just a good car, guys. You can see it's got the Firestone Wide Ovals with the 15-inch rallies with the flat caps and rings. Pretty car. I think the car's got a great look. I love the color combination. The restoration that was done was very nicely done. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick, guys. Very nice car. This has got the functional cowl hood. I wish we had some sunshine, man. It's got pretty paint on the car. Vinyl top's in great shape. Front and rear spoilers. That's actually your original dealership emblem still on the car. Sorry guys, a little dust in there. Car's nice and straight down the side, sits good. Pretty car. Again, it's got the Firestone Wide Oval F70-15s. Love the flat caps on it. I'm not a top hat guy. I like the flat caps much better. See a little touch-up mark there. Front disc brakes. Again, this is not the magic numbers engine. It does have a 69 350 block in it, 4-barrel. It's got the Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake. It's got the factory exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes, factory air. Yes, the air works. And it does have the functional cowl hood. The car is detailed up very nice underneath the hood. This, I'll try to give you a little peek at this here. Hopefully you can see that. Factory color combo. It's also got the X11 D80 code on the trim tag. Pretty car. I'm sorry, 400 turbo trans, right? It's 400 turbo trans. These are the original door handles. They show a little wear to them. Again, factory Ivory Hounds Tooth interior. bucket seats, console, tilt column with a sports steering wheel. $69,691 on the odometer, factory AM/FM radio. The owner's manual's in the glove box. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 10-bolt rear end stock gear, probably 323. Definitely something you can get on the expressway and cruise. Factory jack with the bias-ply spare. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Car's detailed real nice underneath. Again, we got some nice photos of it, got it up in the air. Took some nice photos of the car for you. Love this interior, it's pretty. I'll tell you what's underrated, the white interior. When you're driving these cars, 99% of the time you're driving them in the hot sun, and that interior is going to stay a heck of a lot cooler than the black does. Again, pretty much bone stock. I'm not sure why that's not kicking on. We'll check it though. I know the AC does work. No, didn't kick on. We'll check it. You see all your dash lights work. Backup lights work. Blower motor works. Radio works. Doors open and close nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook or our Instagram page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Pretty car right there. I wish we had some sunshine, guys. That thing really pops. Have a great day, guys.